If your HVAC system is ignoring the thermostat temperature set point, it's probably messing with your comfort and energy bills more than you think. So, first off, you gotta reset the control board. That's like hitting the refresh button on your system's brain. Then, check all the wiring between the thermostat and the HVAC unit because loose or damaged wires can totally confuse your system. Make sure your thermostat's batteries aren't dead, because that's a simple fix people often miss. Also, double check that the thermostat is actually set to the right mode, heating or cooling. Because if it's on-off or fan only, nothing's gonna happen. Sometimes, a dirty air filter or blocked vents can cause your system to act up, so keep those clean to help everything run smoothly. If you've got a smart thermostat, make sure its software is updated or try rebooting the device. Another tip is to verify that your thermostat is compatible with your HVAC system. Not all thermostats work well together. Lastly, if you recently had electrical work done, ask the pro if anything might have affected your HVAC wiring. One of the biggest mistakes with thermostat issues is ignoring the control board reset. People often think a thermostat problem means replacing the thermostat itself, but a simple reset can save you cash and hassle. Another common issue is sloppy wiring or loose connections. This causes the HVAC to ignore commands, so double-check each wire for secure attachment. Third, lots of folks don't realize their thermostat batteries are dead or dying, which makes communication between devices spotty. Swapping batteries regularly keeps things solid. Fix these by resetting your control board first, carefully inspecting and tightening all wiring, and changing batteries routinely. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle HVAC and thermostat issues without breaking the bank. It also helps contractors connect with new clients who need reliable home improvement work done fast.